Hello friends. Let's learn some zoo animals' names. Let's start. Which animal is this? Can you guess? Alligator. Yes, this is an alligator. Alligator. Which animal is this? Can you guess? Hyena. Yes, this is a hyena. Hyena. Which animal is this? Can you guess? Zebra. Yes, this is a zebra. Zebra. Which animal is this? Elephant. Yes, this is an elephant. Elephant. Very nice, kids. Can you guess? Which animal is this? Lion. Yes, this is a lion. Lion. Very nice, kids. Can you guess? Which animal is this? Wolf. Yes, this is a wolf. Wolf. Can you guess? Which animal is this? Giraffe. Yes, this is a giraffe. Giraffe. Very nice, kids. Which animal is this? Can you guess? Fox. Yes, this is a fox. Fox. Which animal is this? Can you guess? Camel. Yes, this is a camel. Camel. Which animal is this? Can you guess? Tiger. Yes, this is a tiger. Tiger. Very nice, kids. Which animal is this? Can you guess? Panda. Yes, this is a panda. Which animal is this? Can you guess? Rabbit. Yes, this is a rabbit. Rabbit. Can you guess? Which animal is this? Turtle. Yes, this is a turtle. Turtle. Very nice, kids. Can you guess? Which animal is this? Kangaroo. Yes, this is a kangaroo. Kangaroo. Can you guess? Which animal is this? Snake. Yes, this is a snake. Snake. Let's repeat. Alligator. Hyena. Zebra. Elephant. Lion. Wolf. Giraffe. Fox. Camel. Tiger. Panda. Rabbit. Turtle. Kangaroo. Snake. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in our next video.